और वीडियो नहीं फोटो लिया आई आई थोड़ा थोड़ा सामने थोड़ा बोलने की फोटो ले थोड़ा सामने मैं एमए के मुखीद एडवोकेट हाई कोर्ट सिंस 1988 से मैं प्रैक्टिस में हूँ हाई कोर्ट के अंदर। यहाँ पे पूरे ऑल वैरायटी ऑफ केसेस में हम लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं और स्पेशली हम लोग पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट लिटिगेशन और जो भी सोसाइटी के लिए जरूरत है, जहाँ पे भी इंजस्टिस हो रहा हम लोग जरूर उसके लिए लड़ रहे हैं थ्रू कोर्ट्स। सो लिहाजा हम लास्ट इलेक्शन में मैं कॉन्टेस्ट करा हूँ और इलेक्ट हुआ हूँ। अभी जितने भी जो चीज़ें हैं मेरा एजेंडा है, मैं अपने पॉम्पलेट के जरिए से मैं आप लोगों तक मेरे काम क्या करा हूँ और क्या करने वाला हूँ पहुंचा दूंगा। अब सब लोग मेरे दोस्त, मेरे फ्रेंड्स, मेरे कोलीग्स, इतने लोग मेरे लिए यहाँ पे नॉमिनेशन दाखिल करने के लिए आए, उनको पूरों को शुक्रिया अदा कर रहा हूँ। तो उन लोगों को मैं बहुत तहे दिल से मैं शुक्रिया अदा कर रहा हूँ। रियली इट इज अ वंडरफुल डे फॉर मी। इज ऑल colleagues came voluntarily with an affection, love and affection, and they have expressed their willingness to give support my candidature in the Bar Council of Telangana in upcoming elections. So thanks one for all to all my senior colleagues and all my respected colleagues and juniors. Really, it is a great privilege to me to have such a wonderful time as I filed a nominations, and I will work for you and work for the society, work for the dignity and respect of the advocates community. Thank you for all.
He'll continue as everybody knows that he's very talented and very active advocate in our High Court.
एक मिनट रुको. He is my best friend and Zakir Ali Danish. He is a sahib and he's a very hails from Hyderabad and he's one of the oldest families in Hyderabad and he's having the cultural attachments with so many things. These people are working hard for the community welfare.
I can only assure that he'll continue to work for our welfare, irrespective of the caste and creed and religion, as he has been doing earlier, and is always available in High Court. So we all request you to cast first preferential vote so that we can have free access to him.
మేకే ముఖీద్ గారు నామినేషన్ వేశారు బార్ కౌన్సిల్ మెంబర్ గా. మా పాత కొలీగ్స్, జూనియర్స్, సీనియర్స్ అందరూ వాలంటీర్ గా వచ్చి ఈ నామినేషన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ని సక్సెస్ చేశారు. అందరూ కలిసికట్టుగా ఎలక్షన్ కంపల్సరీ మా సీనియర్ గెలవాలని అందరు వాలంటీర్ గా వాళ్ళు వచ్చి వాళ్ళకు తగినట్టుగా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో అందరికి థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
P. Chandrasekhar is my colleague. He is now independent lawyer. He is having a juniors and a very good office. He is wonderfully he is doing a work for the society and legal community. He was the previous joint secretary to the Rangareddy Bar and he is supporting me. We want to be speak sir.
ఈ రోజు మా గౌరవ సీనియర్ న్యాయవాది ముఖీద్ గారు నామినేషన్ వేయడం జరిగింది. మేము ఆయన కొలీగ్స్ అందరము అధిక సంఖ్యలో ఇక్కడ విచ్చేసి ఆయనకు సపోర్ట్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. అలాగే ఇక్కడ ఉన్న అందరూ కొలీగ్స్ వాళ్ళ జూనియర్స్ వాళ్ళకి తెలిసిన వాళ్ళకి అందరికి చెప్పి మా సీనియర్ గారిని అత్యధిక మెజారిటీతో గెలిపించగలరని, బార్ కౌన్సిల్ మెంబర్ కు సెకండ్ టైం పంపించగలరని అందరినీ మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటూ మీ అందరికీ ఇక్కడ విచ్చేసినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు.
Mr. D. Vijay Kumar, Advocate High Court, and he is a senior lawyer, and he was previously worked along with me. He is my colleague, and now he is having a very good practice and doing well in the legal profession. I request him to speak about it.
Today we came all here to support my senior, and I am requesting all the advocates and my colleagues and friends to support my senior in the coming elections to great victory. So we requesting you once again. Thank you, Annajar.
All the best to our senior sir.
Mr. Mahinder is an independent lawyer. Previously was my colleague, yes. And now he is doing a very good, yes. And he is one of the dynamic lawyer for Hyderabad.
Thank you. Please cash your valuable vote to our senior sir, Mukhid sir. Please inform to all our friends, colleagues, advocates, all our advocates. Please inform to this opportunity to fulfill this opportunity
Shakira Banu. Shakira Banu is a senior lawyer. She works so many held and so many posts in High Court. She's a High Court only High Court lawyer, one of the best lawyer in High Court. I've seen that she's my colleague. She's supporting me. I request her to speak about.
I request all the colleagues again to cast your first preferential vote to Mr. Mukhi sir. He is such a humble person. He used to help all. In groups, we are finding some offending messages, but he is such a kind person. He is a down-to-earth person. Please cast your valuable preferential first vote to Mr. Mukhi sir.
My brother, my family member, Abu Bakr, he is a man behind me. Yeah, I'm going to be 100%. I'm going to win the election because of his contribution is lot for my election. I appreciated him with such a spirit. He is fighting for me. He is supporting for me. So I request him to speak. He's a very good lawyer. He's one of the independent and top lawyer in Hyderabad.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. So I need a support of all my colleagues, my friends, those who are just saying that Mukhi sir is practicing from last so many years, like 35 years is practicing, sincerely is practicing in the High Court, irrespective of any caste, color or anyone, whether it may be from Telangana or it may be from, he's just helping the poor people who are just coming, and he's like helping like anything. Like recently we have seen that Waqf board has been got seized. So sir has filed the PIL to open the Waqf board. Sir has filed many more PIL, and sir has like recently all the candidates, those who are contesting, and among them Mukhi sir has been like among the most of the PIL, and the writ petition has been filed for the sake of people of on sake of society, whether it may be any society. Sir has already fighting for the poor people. So I request all my brother, those who are just looking, those who are just seeing my videos, so kindly cast your first preferential vote. Don't get into all the propaganda, false propaganda by this, all this. The people, those who are not done anything or not done necessarily, they are just coming with a negative publicity. So I request all my brothers, so please cast your vote. Those who are coming regularly and sincerely, those who are practicing in the High Court, because after that also, sir will be just like practice in the High Court. But some people, those who are coming, so only motive for the election, they are just coming for that motive only. So my request to all brothers, those who are just listening my video, so kindly cast your first preferential vote. And the those who are newcomers, those who are younger, please kindly cast your first preferential vote in the Mukhi sir favor. So thank you for everyone.
Vote number 1.
ఏంటి మీరందరూ కల్పవల్లితే అంటే డోంట్ బి సిల్లీ. కానీ అందరూ అనుకుంటున్నారు బార్ కౌన్సిల్ మన పాలిట అయింది ఒక మంచంలో, ఎందుకంటే చాలా మీరు వేరే అన్యదా ఏదో కవిత్వం కోసం చెప్పట్లేదు. మీరు యువతరం ఇది కవిత కోసం కాదు, భవిత కోసం. నేను ఒక్కనే కూకట్పల్లి కోర్టులో యువ న్యాయవాదులకు సమర్థిస్తూ ఉంటానో తెలియదు. 86 ఆ రోజున తెలంగాణ ఉద్యమం కోసం తిరిగాం, సాధించుకున్నాం, హైకోర్టు సాధించుకున్నాం, అన్ని సాధించుకున్నాం. ఎందుకు ఈ అడ్వకేట్ ప్రొటెక్షన్ యాక్ట్ సాధించలేకపోతున్నాం అంటే మనలో సగం లోపం, అది మన పాలిట అయింది శాపం. ఈ బార్ కౌన్సిల్ మెంబర్స్ కూడా అందరూ ఉన్నారు, కానీ 7 ఏళ్ళు చేశారు. ఎంతవరకు చేశారు ఇక్కడ విమర్శించడానికి రాలేదు వాళ్ళకి, ఎందుకంటే మన హృదయంలో ఉంటేనే చోటు వాళ్ళకి వస్తుంది మళ్ళీ ఓటు. కాబట్టి ఇందులో ఏమి లేదు డౌట్. వాళ్ళు ఏంటంటే కేవలం మనం వేరుశనగ పప్పులు తింటుంటే వాళ్ళు జీడిపప్పులు తింటున్నారని అపోహ ఉంది అందరికీ ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళు జీడిపప్పులు తింటా మనమేం వేరుశనగ పప్పులు తింటా కాలక్షేపం చూసుకుంటా.